Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the euro yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the euro yen, I still think this looks like a 1-2, and this is actually what I think is a subdivision of a wave 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3. So I do think we are potentially getting close to ending this wave 3. I think eventually we are going to go down, make a big correction for the wave 4, then go back up at least one more time for wave 5 to finish off the trend that started right here. So keeping that in mind, let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, like I said, I think this is a subdivision 1, 2. Possibly this is a 3, a 4, and a wave 5 of wave 3. So until I see evidence that this wave 3 is over, I am definitely looking for longs on shorter time frames. I mean, it potentially could go up to the 223.6 area before it actually does turn down for the bigger wave 4. So taking it down to the daily time frame, I still don't see any evidence that this is over. I mean, I guess there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up, but with how stretched out this last wave is, I don't really think it's over. I think this is potentially a 1, 2, 3. It needs to make a 4 and a 5. It probably needs to take out these highs before we even think about going short in a big way. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, I think this is a 1, I think this is a 2, and I think this is all subdivision 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 3. So I definitely am looking for longs primarily. I actually suspect that there's a very good chance that this is going to make a correction, maybe even go all the way down to the 38.6, 38.2 before it actually goes up for wave 5. So definitely be cautious. I do suspect, especially with that subdivision 5 waves of 3 in there, that there's a pretty good chance that it's going to make a bigger proper ABC correction before it actually does end up continuing back up. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, I do have my Fibonacci retracement on here. So because if it does make a big Fibonacci bounce, a big engulfing move, then we definitely do want to take it as a long for the continuation of the uptrend. But like I said, we do have to be cautious because it does kind of look like this wave 3 is over. It does kind of look like this is a 3, 4, 5 of wave 3. So there's a pretty good chance that this is actually going to continue down and make a big wave A, probably a big wave B, and potentially go down and make a wave C. And this is all going to be an ABC of 4, just like what I was showing on the 4 hour time frame. So I am definitely looking for longs, but I am a little cautious because I do think it is possibly now in a wave 4, and that it's probably going to make a bigger proper ABC correction before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.